Sandomierz, well-known city of kings, with rich background of history and tradition. At the same time, important part of Polish industry in the area of glass manufacturing. Very first glass factory in the area, promising and potentially successful Metan, is built in 1937 in the village Kamień-Nowy, outskirts Sandomierz. It is well prospering within governmental program of industry development. Plant is manufacturing flat glass, hires about 200 people. But as the Second World War spreads across Polish lands, it's being occupied, and soon after that, in 1944, destroyed due to cannonade. Due to decision taken in the 1950s as a response to growing demand of heavy industry, it is planned to develop the area for the construction of a new plant in Sandomierz. The construction of a glassworks begins in 1960 in the right bank of Vistula River, and it won't take more than 4 years more to launch production. Glassworks HSO Sandomierz, with use of the Pittsburgh method, one among the most modern at the time, manufactures flat glass to cover the needs of construction and the automotive industry. Once the new technology is invented and available, HSO Sandomierz would establish cooperation with British company, from now to be known as Pilkington Sandoglass. The plant is undergoing expansion, enabling the transition to production with an innovative method developed in England by Sir Alistair Pilkington. Float is the most advanced glass manufacturing method, and Pilkington Sandoglass becomes the first plant in Poland to implement this technology. The cornerstone is solemnly laid for the construction of the new line. Sir Anthony Pilkington, relative of Alistair, takes part in this ceremony. Significant changes are yet to come. A new production division is launched in 1995 after the fire from the old Pittsburgh furnace is moved to the float furnace. Both would operate in parallel for another year. In 1996, the Pittsburgh furnace is definitely extinguished. From now, Pilkington Sandoglass is manufacturing exclusively using the float method, which ensures glass quality unattainable in production with use of any other technology. Over time, the company name transforms into Pilkington, Poland. The plant is constantly developing and increasing the range and quality of products that conquer global markets. In 2006, Pilkington, Poland becomes part of the Japanese NSG Group. Involvement leads to new investments, further improvements are introduced, and furnace is rebuilt. Quality and safety are the major values among company's mission priorities. In 2010, several provinces are facing dramatic flood. As a result of danger, on 19th of May, production is suspended. with devoted effort of employees, city residents, fire brigades, police, the army and volunteers. The many day and night-long struggle against force of nature helped save the plant from flooding and resume production on 20th of June. Pilkington is recognizable and valued brand worldwide. NSG Group is one of the world's largest producers of high-quality glass, having over 100 years of experience. June 2020 is the 25th anniversary of the launch of the first float line in Poland. Safety, people, quality, modern technologies, development, diversity. Changing our surroundings, improving our world.